as Jerson Kumayas does not really have a promising layout here. Now it can be promising kasi nagalaw niya yung sa age dun sa 5. Tandaan natin, yung records po nitong dalawang kupunan na to pagdating sa ating King of the Hill. Ng Taguig Stallions, 2 wins and 8 losses, AJ, sa ating King of the Hill.
Wow. So Taguig Stallions medyo may panalo naman, 'di ba? Kaso nga lang itong Paranaque ang talagang kailangan ditong mag-double time na makapag-score.
And we all know what happened there.
Oh, look at this red hot shot after making the 6 ball. He can use spin to bounce closer, but medyo diretso. 2 bounce, 1, 2, and perfect speed.
Natin, both teams are on a losing streak, looking to snap their 2-game or 2-series losing streak.
So, pang corner kung sakaling attack, pero he opted to just play it safe. Muntikan na siyang maging biktima din na parang tulad ni
And to think na, di ba, these are the most experienced players. Magpantay, and then you try to get Jericho out on fouls. Jericho attacking the 2-5 Karom. Only 2 wins for Taguig, both against Makati.
Very
Ito
nice.
si Emong, kaninang hapon pa nag-iensayo yan dito.
Mga, ano to, gano'ng katagal dito? Mga 100 racks.
Demosthenes Pulpul was sharing during his interview earlier, shouting mode like probably like a Jojo Sanchez or something like that. Wala si Romel Santos.
Tira, talagang A-game ang idadala sa gabing to. Hunanan. Okay, medyo makapal sa top view pero okay lang. Perfect on the 9.
To all. And this King of the Hill, 2% lamang ang kanyang break percentage. Their number 1 breaker is actually itong si Brian Sagipe that has a little bit of work to do here. He's gonna separate the 2 from the 6. His real hair, by the way. Eric Navarrete.
Okay, corner for the purple 4.
Nagbabago yung kulay niyan. Yeah, para kang Chris.
This is looking good now, Noel. I can safely say na kayang karete. So ngayon, ang lambot.
Being 4 wins and 11 losses at the bottom of the team standings.
Parehas biktima ng whitewash.
Navarrete barely gets the 9 ball on the S2S. That is enforced right now. Paranaque just won 2 racks just by winning 1, Aris.
Okay, good evening sa ating viewers.
Oh, dinig yata si Aris sa loob, ano?
Wow, that was a golden break.
Oh, mamaya na, golden break
natin si
muna.
Aris.
We will celebrate the first golden break of this week.
Okay, safe to say. Safe to say. May pumasok na bola. 6 ball in. Shoutout daw kay Sir Carlos Napes of QC Dragons.
Binigyan mo na to, Sargo pa lang, ano? Galing mo talaga, no?
Sargo pa lang, pero siya pa rin ang tumitira.
Sargo pa lang, binigyan na po ni AJ Ong ng S2S.
So dapat pala before the
Pagtanda
break.
ko, gusto ko para ako si AJ Ong.
Aray ko.
Sige, katungan mo pa S2S mo. Dami mo pa sinasabi.
And run out for Taguig and sa buong gabing to,
Napanipis pa yun.
BRO.
Bro, for the Taguig Stallions. And
So let's see if he considers.
may storya pa rito yung 2 at saka yung 4 na hindi pa rin naghihiwalay.
Okay.
2 rails. What a shot by Pulpul. And creates a hidden Mickey. Sino ba to? Nick Abergas. Can make contact with the 1 ball, sending it very near the 9, but he scratches. And Pulpul will use the cue ball.
Setting up a Karam. Nicely done.
That is 3 in a row for Demosthenes Pulpul.
Pero siya yung unang nagkaroon ng successful break earlier. Twice.
Oh, the 1 ball got kicked in.
2 ball.
Oh, the 2 ball now
check
lines
this
up with the
out.
9 ball.
But it passes the 9. So kung if he thinks about running out, it's possible. Pero
4 and 3 ang maganda dapat ang bagsak mo rito from the 2 to the 3, and that is a 3-4 combination. So is Tito Whitey thinking of another abbreviation?
Well, it's there. Or pwedeng pure safety ba? Looks like he's going for the 2 ball.
He's going for the combination. The Taguig Stallions are on a roll. Mo nga, siya maingay dun.
Balik sa short side position. Ang cue ball, mabibitin nga lang. doblete. So, merong pinag-uusapang bank shot pero mukhang hindi. Sa kabila, corner pocket. Come on!
Oh,
Let's go! Wow! Hindi pwede sa side pero sa corner, that was very difficult.
And Demosthenes Pulpul doing a Gary David now. He's blowing on his hot hands. And
come on.
almost. But the Taguig Stallions have now taken 6 racks in a row coming up. Dropping it into ball sing.
Kung mga bola, kaya
Bigyan mo na,
hindi
bigyan
mo
mo
na
na.
kailangan magtanong. Okay, looking good.
O tumitira si
Areso.
Areso, taga Silang, Cavite.
Baka mag-safety siya dito. Aba! Teka lang.
Umabot.
Nalandingan itong pato para sa 7 ball.
Swabbing.
Kayang-kaya ni Ruel. Oh my. Ayun, sakto.
Down it goes. So after 6 straight losses, they were up 7-3.
Parang ang nangyayari nga dito, parang for the best yung nangyayari kapag nag-S2S ako dito. O, di ba? Oh! Ay. Just enough spin to avoid the side pocket. And of course, just enough power to control the cue ball.
That's again, the scratch plays on your mind. Mumugation for RSO, and here comes Demosthenes Pulpul. Will not make the same mistake twice. So Taguig is still kicking. And Tito Whitey hopes to reach. Hindi na may tawid. Pulpul's break almost scratching.
Yeah.
5 ball does not cooperate.
Feeling ko nga kasi maghihil-hil pa to eh.
Huwag ka nga ganyan.
Tingnan,
Let it
tingnan
play
natin,
out.
Tingnan natin. Mainit ang tira ni Eric Navarrete. Very nice. He wasn't able to avoid the 6 ball, but he's opting to take this to the other corner. Wow, what a shot. What a clutch shot right there.
For Paranaque.
And looks like he's about to finish.
Oh!
My. Yay.
Ano sinabi mo, AJ? He's about to finish. Well, mukhang magdidilang ang hell kay AJ because Tito Whitey. May listahan ako yan. May listahan
Diba?
ako yan.
Nice. Clearing the 9 to a hill match.
You want to know how many times Taguig has been in a hill match this season? In a hill matchup. And we are going to rack number 25. Kaya muna natin mag-break si Pulpul. 9 ball gets kicked. 3 in. Taguig has not won a single hill match this season. And he made 2 balls on the break. Tito Whitey, does he get there?
Oh, look at that right there.
4 wins for Omay in a row. 6 in a row for Pulpul, including now 3 in a row for this current run. Watch out. Cue ball.
Cue ball.
Oh!
Ang
This
isang
is their
hill match.
first hill win. That's a strange stat. Magpantay won that one. And they were also hill ng King of the Hill against Negros.
Inside action. Nice, okay.
Kulang.
Kinulang lang talaga. King the
Yeah,
5
he
up
makes-
and down
yun na
side
nga eh.
rails. 7 will be available into the side pocket. Noel.
Just make the 5.
Oh, but look at this. He tried to hide, which is a smarter option. Pressure
Oh, wow.
setting in, definitely. He's not smiling anymore as of the moment. Oh, come on. That was a miscue.
Ball in hand for Demosthenes Pulpul. 4 balls away. That's a strange stat. For 4 straight wins. And the victory to the Taguig Stallions come from behind against the Parañaque Kings.
And what a game he had last night, of course.
Op,
Talagang
op, op.
pinakita niya dito.
Oh.
Kita mo na, munti ka na tumayo na naman, Noel. We already talked to them and they know what they need to do in terms of adjusting on those departments of the game.
Will Pulpul take it on? Wag daw muna.
Still able to get that win.
Kagabi, dalawa yan eh. Wala pa, up to now, wala pa rin si Romel
Yes.
Santos who's still under the weather.
Things are looking good. Medyo magkakalapit lang itong 6, 7, 8.
6-7 combination. There it is. Pwede na yun. Paranaque Gene Kings na lang ang pangalan nyo. Well, Demosthenes pull last night in their first break and run out of the day. I love it, sabi ng Taguig. On Manila MSW Mavericks head coach Dennis Po, as the 2-ball drops, went on to investigate kung ano nangyari, and they
So the good thing there is he can still coach. He
Yeah.
can still go inside the venue to stay with his team. Lilinawin natin, it's only one game na hindi makakapaglaro si Coach Dennis po.
very little work left to do for this layout after a good break.
Para sa kanilang kupunan to get one more rack.
Right. Great opportunity for Banyares to recalibrate after last night's nahilo na rin daw siya, and then well, he had needed to take a few days off.
And they're looking very good to wrap up this rack.
Jericho pinaikat pa yung pamato para dito kay Sagiped, and this duo, Jericho Banyares and Brian Sagiped, now bringing a 3-1 lead for the defending champions. Almost 95% accuracy.
Pinako talaga dito.
Ito ngayon gagamitin ni Abergas ang numero 9 para pantigil dito sa cue ball.
Well, that 9 will automatically go closer to that corner pocket.
Baka isabay pa eh. Silabay pa nga. Kaya naman pala. Nick Abergas ties the score on that 7-9 carry mark. Magandang landing spot lang off of one rail. He actually went to 2 rails.
That is tempting. Using the 7 for a break.
Yun na nga eh. Pero ngayon, yung queuing ni Navarrete off that shot of Abergas, a little bit hampered by the 7 ball. Di naman pala. Lusot naman.
Oh, will we see an abbreviated rack here, Noel?
Nakaisa na sila kanina.
Oh!
And Eric Navarrete gives our second abbreviated rack of the day. First, the last time he took off that headgear, nagka-golden break siya.
Let's see.
Ayan na!
Ang galing mo, Noel!
Off with his headgear! Eric Navarrete does it again!
Akalain mo naman nagdilang ang Helga, Noel.
Naalala ko
Husay
lang
mo
talaga nung hinubad niya yan. Kitang-kita, hindi niya po yan. He's back to being the taxi driver and no longer the baby beast. Now he's back to being the baby beast. But for the second time, Eric Navarrete getting a golden break. Paano nangyari yan, Mark? Kita naman natin dito.
Look at that 9. Unobstructed path to the corner pocket and off the hair goes. Buhok pa ni Naruto yan, yung
Yun lang.
ginagamit niya. Kay Naruto yata yun, eh, no?
Eric Navarrete with his third golden break of the season.
A hit for the taking here.
Their biggest streak so far this week was, of course, 4 in a row. And last night's King of the Hill, galing kay Ruel Omay, Manila MSW Mavericks. And of course, for Taguig, maglalaban naman po.
Yun ang matindi yung next week.
Oo, Negros
Talagang-
Occidental against Quezon City. Si Rafael against Jojo Sanchez.
Goodness.
Bit of a draw shot here coming from Sagiped, showing no signs of his illness from yesterday. And the Taguig Stallions say, I love it once again. Natigil ang 3-game winning streak.
I was expecting an extension there, but he took the shot straight.
So fine.
Naku, kinulang.
Uy!
Kinulang, nakita ko na eh.
May choir na sila.
Oh! Wow!
Medyo malayo to. This is not an automatic.
It is not at
Oy,
all.
Parang wambol eh. Wambol pala. Boom!
Uy! Kinama!
What happened there?
Bumalik! At ginamit yung pihit ng 9 ball to bring it back.
May kanya-kanyang bahay na yan. Oy! Yun lang.
I don't know why he had to do that. To be a shot of the night candidate here. This bank shot if he makes it. He goes for defense.
Lalayo lang. Oh. Kita. Dapat may Happy New Year na kasunod yun eh. Nice.
Minsan kasi masarap panoorin yung espadahan eh. Lalo kung ganyan kakonti na lang yung bola.
Oo.
Great
Yun
shot there.
talaga, oh. Ingat. Yun
Disaster
lang.
has struck, Noel.
Bryant sa giped. Puts it away. Balik ang abante dito sa Taguig Stallions. Oh.
Offense pala yun.
Natungkil siya ron. Over his first 3 racks. Ano daw?
Kung hindi ka matibay-tibay, wala.
Okay, ang sinasabi ko sa may mga ibang player na hindi daw kinaya yung environment.
Sirang-sira yung tumbok.
Naalala ko.
Tumadaan na jeep, may tumitilaok na manok, ganun.
Tapos biglang titira ka, balit! Pero nung dumalaw sila, nanood sila rito, nakikitawa sila. Doon sa nangyayaring asaran. Nagtabi pa nga si FSR at saka si Coach
I do not want to comment on that anymore.
Baklasa rin si Doc
Wow,
Dicky
great draw
minsan.
shot.
Ligpitable na bigla itong mesa para sa Parañaque Kings.
Alam nila lahat ng Alaska eh, no?
Oh, i-rail first mo na lang to, sir.
Nakatakot, layo.
Ayan, kaya nga, i-rail first mo na lang.
Oh,
Dinaretso. Parang action star ah.
may stare down pagkatapos.
Oh.
Parañaque to take one back here. No balls tied up.
Siriaco. Rara Zarate
Hi, Ra.
is watching. Production team, pasalamatan nyo naman ang gumawa ng inyong lumpia.
No problem. Corner pocket na kukunin to.
Oh, the pocketing pa lang gusto niyang pangalan. The pocketing.
Wow. Nanigurado na dito. Oh, naku, napalakas.
Teka.
Napalakas.
Yun. Pwede pa rin. Not an easy shot on the 9. And almost left it on the pocket. It's gonna be a push shot declared by Demosthenes Pulpul. Ididikit yung pamato and instant return.
Just pocketing this shot is difficult.
Cross bank. Almost.
May insurance, Noel.
Oh. Kahit ipamigay mo pa yung 1 eh. Paano mo pupuntahan yung 2? So, okay na. Continue na tayo sa live play. Jericho is able to shoot. A clarification from our league director, Haris Almario, in just a bit. Oh, he took it on. Almost made it too. Kita yung uno, walang problema doon. Salinel went rail first. He's gonna try a long distance shot on the 2.
May tira dito.
Safety.
Great
Well
shot.
done.
And the scratch.
It can play as a combination.
5 and a 6. Mukhang that would be the easier option here.
4 to the side pocket ang mangyayari.
Ninipisan ng konti yung 5. Ganun.
Oo. Not really straight on, but this is makeable.
Okay.
And it is made by Abergas.
But look at where the 5 ended, Noel.
May tatago ba? Tito Whitey's been known to kick or to bank shots before. Here comes another one. Almost.
Look
Watch
at where
out
the
for the
white
cue ball. Oh! Parañaque can't take the lead once again. Kala ko green and gold kasi green yung uniform nila pero gold yung buhok ni Salinel. Ito yung magiging tema nitong serye to, Mark. Di kitan.
Oo. Yun yung sinisipat ni Navarrete. If that 5 will actually go through that rail and the 9. Naku.
Oh! Muntikan pa. Yung nga lang, you can't hit this hard, ano?
Ayun sinasabi nila, yung sais dun sa ilalim ng t-shirt. All the makings of a mumugay!
Oh!
Scratch pa, Noel!
Scratch pa! Wow!
That had no chance. At akala ko hihinaan lang niya. Cheat the pocket.
Oh, pero wala siya position sa
Yun na
sais eh.
nga.
Getting it back for the 6 ball was another issue.
Kung si Kumayas. Beautiful shot.
Tita Gig Stallions looking to get back into winning form. Will use a 5-0 run to end the night. And the Taguig Stallions have won their second matchup this week.
Yan yung diferensya. Kaya sila yung nandiyan sa mesa.
Yes.
Tayo nagkakipagkwentuhan
Yes,
dito.
yun na nga yun eh. Tayo nangangarap lang naman. There's the defense using the 9. All right.
Another support. Oh!
Grabe
Wow! Fantastic
naman.
shot by Eric Navarrete.
Dapat pag ganun, tinatanggal din yung headgear niya.
Kaya nga, hirap din gawin nun. Pero di pa rin
Ganda.
tapos eh. Di pa rin tapos sa laban.
Well, that will definitely go to tonight's highlights, Jay. What a shot that was para kay taxi driver, Eric Navarrete.
Naiwasan yung scratch dun sa gilid. And Eric Navarrete, only one thing to do. Clean the rest of the balls. Hindi siya naging biktima ng great shot syndrome.
Hindi.
Siyempre, pinapaliwanag ni Aris Almario the great shot syndrome after making a fantastic one. High tendencies of missing it. But for Eric Navarrete, he's having none of it.
To even things up for the Parañaque Kings, Navarrete obliges.
Pag umupensa, no, super nipis eh.
Wow.
Oh! Actually made that one.
Kailangan ng pihit.
This is going to be quite elementary.
Did in the last 2 racks when he missed totally easy makeable shots.
O nga naman, oh. Pag naglalaro ka, mas gusto mo na ganyan yung mga
Sa ibang bola yung cue ball mo, ma-derail yung plano mong placement.
and that cue ball doesn't need to travel. They're making a conscious act to try cheat those pockets, di ba?
Kung tumama ng konti lang yan, malamang mumugation yan. But Eric Navarrete made sure that he will not make a single mistake. He will have to use the 2 to get to the 9, not the 1. Using the theory reach.
He will push out and Gerson Comayes will use that push to send that 9 ball back to the spot.
Inisigawan ng tagig si Gerson. Ay, corny. Dahil isang player lang talaga yung nasa gitna, yung 4 nangungulit lang eh.
Oh,
And he gets contact. Ooh.
almost made it. That's right.
Uy, dinipensa na lang. Uy, bumalik.
Aha!
But it paid off, I think.
So Gerson Comayes will have to make this cue ball travel all over the world and apparently he landed on the wrong country.
Ganun nakahirap
Oo.
dito. Sa break pa lang, swertihan eh.
If he played the perfect angle, he has a shot on that blue 2 towards the other corner. He played that 1 ball.
I'm sure Gerson will just shake that off now. All business here.
Oh, yeah, he made that blue 2.
Number 1 mission, get rid of the 8.
Shout out sa Kuya Eric ko. Pabasa po ng comment. The 5 ball, the 6 ball, the 7 ball, he will definitely make it.
Pinapakaba mo sarili mo eh.
Got the 6.
Mental game right now for Gerson Kumayas.
Gugulong lang pababa yung 9 ball.
There. Black shot, black ball down. For the rack, yes.
Gerson Comayes somehow broke that 8 ball curse. Sinabi ni rin Tagig, kita mo yun, Gerson?
No. Tinuruan agad.
Kala nakadispabor, konting lakas lang to
bababa
make
lang
that
yan,
cue ball
bababa.
travel.
Oh boy.
And
Oh
look
boy.
at
Jericho
that.
Banyares nang gigigil. Kunin mo na yung 4-9. Baka kunin pa ng iba yan.
Si Jericho gusto niya humawak ng tako eh.
Oo.
Di naman mang shark yan
There
eh.
we go.
Oh!
Oh.
Gerson Comayes took advantage and more importantly, he took the lead from Eric Navarrete. Consolation, there's a 2 ball screen from the cue ball towards the yellow 1. And Gerson Comayas will try to do an Eric Navarrete as far as kick shots are concerned.
Uy,
It
talaga
will
naman.
go to the corner pocket.
Kalahin mo may daan pala yun. Napakasikip ni Esquinita but Gerson Comayas finding a way to pocket that on the corner pocket. What a shot for Comayas. Gerson Comayas ngayon, 2-rack lead.
9 ball!
Ayun na ang hinihintay natin.
Yung sanang hinahanap natin kay Eric Navarrete, nakuha ni Gerson Comayas. And
Possible thin cut para dito kay Eric Navarrete.
sa mga mortal lang na tulad namin gumagana yung mga lakas tira
Yeah.
ng chambe.
Yun na naman.
Oh! Eric Navarrete with another fantastic kick shot. That momentum with some noise, with a lot of sharking.
Concentration. Taking this one pocket at a time para sa Parañaque Kings.
At the facial expression of Eric Navarrete, he is so locked in.
Naku po.
Uh-oh.
Ayun.
Oy, may konti. And Eric Navarrete
Uy!
is
Pwede sa-
signaling
Wow!
the Stallions to
Sharking.
keep it quiet.
Sharking back from that side of the table.
Sumasarap ang laban dito sa loob ng Sharks Arena. Ayun, nakakailang lata na ng Black Mamba ito si Romel.
Parang nanginginig na nga yung lata eh. Feeling ko nasobrahan na. And just by saying that, I think you jinxed him.
Ay, hindi pa.
But again, Gerson will have to shake things off the way he did kanina. Remember, in the early parts of this tournament tonight, he gave up 3 easy racks. Wrong team you're talking about.
Di lang natin alam kung anong tagig yan.
Oo.
Starting from Mark E.J. Conanan to Demosthenes Pulpul to Romel Pisok-Pasok Santos. Para isang option sana dito. Oh,
Wow.
right, draw shot. Pwede sana.
Bumalik na naman yung pusa.
One. Pampataas lang ng blood pressure ng bahagya yung tira ni Gerson Comayas. But the result will be the same. Gerson Comayas will get his 9th rack for this evening. One-on-one encounter between Gerson Comayas and Eric Navarrete. And the 6th ball will make it. First attempt, the 8th ball did not cooperate. Nasobrahan kasi sa comment ng mga kakampi. Tumigil tuloy yung bola.
Ganda nung tira ni Gerson Comayas.
Sino yung manang sa Shark Team? Siyempre, yung usual naman yan sa tagig eh. Hindi lang naman yung mga players ang mga Ang mas malakas mga Shark.
Naalala ko yung placard ni Anton Raga eh. Naalala mo yun?
Oo.
Okay, let's go.
Oh,
Good
diba?
draw shot.
And Gerson Comayas will be the first player to get to double figures. I love it. Is he exploring a combination? Yung karambola ang plausible eh. Oh, he played a combination and
Look
he
at
made
that.
it.
Ni Eric Navarrete.
And we are smelling a bro.
Sa layout ng mga bola na yan, Jay.
Kabro-bro na yan.
Oo.
Or in the words of the great AJ Ong.
Naku po, ayan na.
Try lang natin.
It begins.
Oo. Try lang natin ngayon.
Sige, gusto mo masisi, ha?
Oh, sige. Safe to say. Ano na? Yo! No, sir!
I told you! Don't say those 3 words, Jay!
Ilang beses na nasasamit kasi pinag-usapan
Uy!
9 ball is in motion. Pero masyadong manipis. Carlo Bidarbonco din, sinabi rin.
Well, the analysis, again, uulitin ko, ha?
In the meantime, tried a cut shot on
wait a
that
minute.
yellow one.
Naku, namumuro.
Ahoy.
May espasyo ba enough do sa tabi ng sais?
We will find out with this shot coming from Comayas. Apparently, there's no offensive shot na masyal lang yung pamato.
Wow, look at that.
Look at that. Gumamit na ng extension si Eric Navarrete. There's that kick shot, double contact.
Oh, wow.
Went short trail.
Ang galing naman ni
Resulting
Tira.
to that screen.
This will be abbreviated. Wow.
Oh, he went on the other side. Matraffic lang kasi may brown 7. And Gerson Comayas goes for another safety. This could be a 4-rail shot for Eric Navarrete, and I would be surprised if he makes contact with this one.
Oh,
he
he
made
does.
contact. Pero bumanda.
Oh, that's just too yummy to pass off.
Hindi.
Hindi pa pala.
In order to break that purple 4 and hindi.
He pulls that and he can see the 3 from there.
That's why you had the option of going for that 2-9 combination. Kasi nga naman para maiwasan yung purple 4 na yun.
And binaba niya ulit. Cue ball behind the 8. Like that. Exactly like that.
And we are going to brace ourselves again.
This is very pocketable.
Eric Navarrete made majority of his kick shots.
Oh.
Swerte, ika nga. Yung dalawang nasa taas.
Yun ang malupit.
Make plans for next week to visit Sharks Arena.
Uh-oh.
Ouch!
Pasok naman.
Made it.
Parang pinadali pa nga eh.
Oo. Not a problem anymore. And Gerson Comayas went up the hill. Hindi pa maghuhubad ng headgear si Eric
Hindi
Navarrete. Nandito naman siya bukas eh. Saan kaya itatago ito?
Well, he's done really well.
Dinaan sa nipis. It made contact.
For safety. Like that. Medyo umangat nga lang.
Kung long shot, yung angulo magbabago eh.
Oo. Oh, look what he's trying to do here. Put it against or right behind the 7. 2 cushion. Ah, hindi. Tatabi niya yung 9 dun.
Intentional foul.
Oo.
He will choose the option of encountering that purple 4 problem.
Daming...
Oh!
Oh! Ang iniisip kasi niya yung i-break na niya yung 4 and 9. Anong plano niya sa 4-9? Ah, dinipensa na lang ulit. Huwag mong isa-scratch, munti ka na.
Ang naging consolation, tumago sa green 6. And again, kick shots are not an issue for Eric Navarrete. Kumontak sa brown 7, pero hindi. At maghihiwala yung purple 4 tsaka yung 9
Nako.
ball. Draw is the most viable option for Eric Navarrete.
Uy,
And
yun na
that
nga.
one went
Umalog.
in and out again. Nasusubukan ang pasensya nila Gerson at ni Eric. Ayaw pang umuwi ng red 3.
Ayun na.
Elevated bridge. He made the red 3. And this could be the key shot, Mark.
There you go. And huwag kang didikit ng matindi. Risky, but that's all the shot he has left. He
Got
got
it!
it! Wow.
May kasabihan eh. Kapag humihirap, alam mong malapit ka na.
Final 3 balls for Gerson Comayas. For the Stallions.
This is the 8th ball. And Gerson Comayas for the win!
Wow.
For the last time this evening, narinig na natin ang katagang I love it.
For the Taguig Stallions nung kanilang 5-on-5. Look at this right here. What a start for the Taguig Stallions. A golden break agad.
Hindi man lang nagpahiyang dito si Captain Plong Plong. Golden break agad ang pinakita for the Taguig
That might
Stallions.
be the fastest rack.
Yun na nga.
So far so good para sa Parañaque Kings. They were able to convert every opportunity na binibigay ng Taguig Stallions. And look at this! What a timing! At tinanggal! Tinanggal na yung wig. Okay. Hindi ko ina-expect yun, ha?
Out of safety here. Jerson Cumayas trying to attempt a possible bank or a safety. Safety behind the 9.
Ang emotion doon, talagang he let it all out.
Wow, check this out. Come on. Ito talaga ang dapat mangyari para sa Parañaque. Nice combination on the 5 into the side pocket. Navarrete now getting to the 3 ball. Pretty simple. Just a simple bounce from the short. Para mapwestuhan na maganda ang 4 para sa side pocket. Wag lang dumikit.
Para
Kasi
maiwasan ng 9.
sa mga first timers natin na manood ng bilyar, kapag natamaan yung object ball,
Lumalapit dito sa 5 points itong Parañaque Kings.
oh come on, give them a break guys, to get a 5-1 scoreline.
There you go. Nauna na nga. Sa 5 points dito ang Parañaque Kings.
Right between that window, possibly ipapalayo itong pato. Okay. So kaya palang madikit yung cue ball against the 7. Hand spin dito si Romel Santos. Okay. Successful hit. Roel, Silang, Omay. Very nice combination and control.
Kings.
Ingat lang sila dito.
Yes.
2 reels lang yan. Papunta doon. Ang pato. Bit of inside spin. Bottom right. Nicely done. Pressure on securing the series, the weekly series. Kasi
Oo.
kapag tensionado ka, matigas ang tira mo.
Yes.
Pero ngayon, napaka-relaxed and malambot ang bawat bira. Will this be 7 games for Parañaque? Right at the heart of the pocket, Doc Nicky.
It is 7 wins for the Parañaque Kings.
Taguig now to break. Look at the 9. Check out the 9. That was so close. After making the 1, obviously there is a 2-9 combination. Look at that right there. Look at this. Nako! Nako naman talaga.
Ito na lang.
Right
Hinahanap,
between the 5 and 6 probably.
hinahanap dito ni Season.
Taking his chances here. Oh, yun nga lang sumabit.
Sigurado, mapupunta na naman dito sa panig ng Taguig Stallions.
Down goes the 9 ball. So now, the question is, ito na ba yung simula ng pagbawi ng Taguig? Kasi 2 straight.
For Parañaque, walang direct na patama dito itong Uno. And that's a great shot right there. That's an escape there.
An open 2 ball. Ingatan na lang dito ni Captain Salinel.
Makikita natin mamaya dun sa replay, AJ. That's a great escape there coming from the captain.
Pretty straight. So he needed to use the rails to get good on the 5. Talagang, yun no, nararamdaman mo yung ingay.
Oo.
Kanina tahimik sila para makatay sa Parañaque Kings. Parañaque.
Pero ang higpit ng tira dito.
Pero yung tempo nila, tingnan mo, napakabilis.
Yes. Parang di din sila nung Sharking.
Yan pa pwede rin. 9 ball down and there you have it guys. 10 games na po. Kada mistake ng Taguig, nauubos nila.
Yeah. Coming off from the mistakes nga dun sa mga scratch dun sa 4 ni Banyares kanina.
Yes. So, yung nagsabay yung kanilang sumabay na rin yung mga favors of the pool gods. Na
Yes,
sinasabi
oo.
nila. Gawin mo na mag-e-effort kang ilabas yung laro mo. Susunod na yun.
Yes.
Pinipilit mo yung best mo every time. Kaya ito yung nangyayari sa Parañaque ngayon. Mukhang iinit ang upuan ng mga Parañaque Kings. Sabay-sabay silang umiinom ng
Black Mamba.
Black Mamba energy drink.
Ayun.
Mamaya pag umingay na tapos na silang umiinom. Ayan. Ano sabi? Kunanan on the 9. And he puts it away.
Aba, ayaw pa ditong papuntahin sa hill.
Parañaque has only scratched 7 times the whole season. On the break, isa na doon yung kay Reynald Salinel kagabi.
Because it's just welcome to the jungle.
Yeah, pero maganda layout
Oo,
para
oo.
dito kay Bonode. Tanda natin, this kid's like, what, 20 years old? 21. Laro, ano? D'Artagnan. Oh, as a
Oh.
member of the Three Musketeers.
And he wants to maintain that
Oh,
control
kaya.
on the cue ball.
Po.
Oo.
Nung kanilang one-on-one, nung
Naka
kalaban
one-on-one
lang,
na yan.
Stallions, so dito sa ating King of the Hill.
Pumuputok pa yung panghuling pasok ni Dart Bonode.
For Eric Navarrete, this is also pocketable. Super
Pinahan
buntis.
niya lang.
Oo. Yan, oh, he's actually aiming to make it. Ayan, oh. Uy!
Ano?
Sa kasamaang palad.
Oh! Ouchies! Kala ko di pumasok, baka matambak ni Gerson
Oh.
yung iniinom niyang at choco.
Long shot. Maybe challenging for many, but Mark E.J. Conanan, titignan ko yung success percentage siya pagdating sa tira. He's also in the 90s, by the way. The only one who's not in the 90s para sa Taguig is Jerson Comayas. He's averaging 86%. Success rating.
Ay! Yan ang sinasabi natin. And the first, but, hang on. There's a story, Noel.
Alam mo, if you're RSO, you're behind by 3 racks, cross-bank this thing. Cross-bank it. Wag mo na isipin yung sunod na tawid dagat dito. Just cross-bank this.
And Ruel Smiley is actually exploring that option.
Oo, either you cross-bank it or you straight-back this to the other pocket. But you're behind by 3 racks.
Go for the kill.
Gotta make something happen.
Gotta go for the kill. Susugod na ni Hodor to.
Odor talaga. Cross-bank. Wala.
May kakapalan.
Pero yung backup plan pa rin niya is tawid dagat. Now, it's gonna be the same bank shot. This time it's a straight back bank.
Is it a bank shot or
Oh.
a really thin cut shot?
Pwede rin yung really thin cut shot if he's really comfortable shooting from this far away.
Bumabalik ang wildlife.
Yun na.
That's the problem, Noel. That's the problem.
Ang iniisip ko, ilalagay niya na kurida yung pamato to avoid that from happening. He did it at a natural angle. Dumiretso tuloy ang pamato sa side pocket. And Ruel Omay on his second shot of the night is going to win this rack for Parañaque.
These two players played with fire.
Oo.
At ang napaso, si Emong. Actually, it's not really break and run. Kasi yung one kanina sumabit eh. Yun. Pero, oy, sandali ah.
Kita yung
Kita,
patama.
kita.
Kita naman yung patama sa 7. Didn't expect to hit the 8 ball full. He was going to hit the 8 ball. It was in the way, pero talagang sapul na sapul eh. And even if he does not have a clean shot on the 7, it's an easy rail first. Even if he's using even if he's using the bridge.
It's gonna be a rail first shot. Na for good measure, pwede niya man lagyan niya ng English, ng left spin eh, ng inside spin. And true enough.
That's an easy shot for Pulpul. That would be challenging for others kasi gagamit pa sila ng tiriret. But this guy was the 2008 third placer in the World Pool Championships. He's ika nga binderbundat.
Sasabi ko sa kanina, nung iniwas yung Brown 7, he had to hold his breath.
Yun na nga eh. Kailangan medyo tuck-in siya doon.
Not a problem for this international campaigner winning the 8th rack for the Stallions at
He's coming off a break and run out in the last rack.
shoot
Pumasok
daw.
na naman.
Wag dun. Dayo na lang sa amin, sa Maynila.
Iniwanan ako habang kumakain ako kanina.
Rail, the long rail.
Ito talaga, it was one rail contact with the one ball. Ay, kita naman pala eh.
May kita pala. Kaya lang manipis eh.
Hindi kukunin niya galing sa 12. There's no angle.
If
But I can
anything, this
see.
is the shot.
1 to the 2, not an issue. So,
Ganun pa rin.
kung nakanti niya yung 8, if he moved the 8 ball just enough to get separation, oh, he missed the 2.
Nakanto.
Bergas no, no?
Yes, that's Nico
All Bergas
Bergas.
has to do, well, he's saying, problema mo muna yan, Tito Whitey. Safetyin muna kita. Yung pagsipat niya rito sa DOS.
Rail first.
And does he get it behind
Oh.
that? What a shot. Can leave the cue ball where the 2 ball is.
It's a quick shot coming from Nico Bergas.
Nakita niya, pwede niya kasi itago rin sa likod ng 7. Kita na ng konti yung DOS, it appears.
Manipis. Ang safety niya, medyo nabitin para sa screen. No pocketing will be involved and a lot of hiding. Same path of the blue 2.
Naku, dumami problema. Tapos na 1 ball pa yung 3-8. Let's just see if he's gonna keep it at this side of the table.
Yep.
Gagamitin yung 9. Pulpul does see part of the 3. Pulpul
Made the
does it
3!
again! Ito, palalayuin niya lang muna. Uy, he's gonna try to use the 9. And put the forward the 3 used to be.
This is our 13th rack for this evening. Again, labang po ang Taguig 8-4. Actually targeting a Karom, hindi.
Yeah, gagamitin yung 8 ball. That's the easier shot.
At yun din yung hinahanap ng mga Sharkers ng Taguig.
Missed it completely.
Pero sa sargo ni Rainiel,
Wow.
Red 3 almost there. Aguy.
Naku, ito, ligpitable ito para kay Jericho Banyares. Straight in shot on the 1. Ito na lang ang challenge from the 1 to the 2.
Pero another
Sapatos pa,
another international campaigner para sa Taguig, Jericho Banyares. He did not wish to make contact with that black
He's
8.
still got a rail first shot on the 2.
Oo.
Pero yun ang asira na flight plan niya rito.
Reroute. Rail first shot.
Yan, makakabalik ba siya? Can he get back on track after that? Yes, he can. He has to put the 4 into the same pocket he's shooting the 3 right now. Pero again, that requires a special landing spot. May opt to go short side also, pero ayun, short side na lang niya kukunin. No, he's just gonna play safe.
He's gonna play
Easier.
safe. Yep.
Yan ang advanced thinking.
With that kind of angle, it's quite difficult to get kahit stop ball eh. Kasi gugulong pa rin eh.
Well, I was thinking he makes the 3 and then he lands well on the 4. Pwede niyang gamitin yung 7 as the safety ball.
Yan nga eh.
Pero ngayon, ito na ginamit niyang safety ball. So, Santo.
It's gonna be a 2-rail shot.
3 yata to, Jay. This might be 3 rails.
Mamamasyal. And
doon
it's
pala.
a miss. And ball in hand for Jericho Banyares. Is he exploring
3-9
something?
na yan, brother. 3-9 na yan. Ba't pa natin paikutin to? 1 ball na 1 ball yan. Kitang-kita nyo, guys. Oh. 1 ball na 1 ball yung 3-9 na yan. Pag-ibig na 3-9.
And Jericho Banyares will get his first rack of the night. In the words of Dr. Enrico, ang warning na. Babalik si Panday sa
Teka
mesa.
muna, 1 ball ba yan? Sobrang nipis nito na 1 ball. Ilalayo nga. Kala ko 1 ball offensive eh.
Would have been nice if the cue ball really went beside.
Or the 8
The
ball
low
into
rail.
the on top of the other rail. Now, there's a bank shot possibility here para kay Jericho.
That is true. And if anyone in this table that can make that cross bank, it's that guy.
He gets the cross bank. He's automatic on the 9. Ay,
No, it
double
made
contact.
Another contact.
Nako. That's an open shot for Omay. The struggles continue for Jericho Banyares. He only won 1 rack yesterday.
And
This is not as challenging as it looks, ha?
dumating na mga ahas.
Oo.
Wildlife still continues to exist on the side of Taguig.
Ay!
Manipis!
Tayo ka agad siya eh. Kita mo, he was not comfortable nung binitiwan niya yung tirang yon. And now, Jericho Banyares, nabigyan na naman ng regalo dito, Jay.
A really costly mistake.
That's a
Big.
shot that RSO can make 9 out of
Oo.
10 times.
And just like that I love it too. There is a shot. But again, it's quite distant.
Knowing Jericho, he's gonna play a safety, but let's see if he just tries to go for broke.
They have that margin of error to go for
Oy,
broke.
oy, 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 oy. Alam mo
Saan
nangyari?
na tinuloy?
Foul. Foul ang nangyari doon.
Kaya lang,
Wala.
that was the issue. It did
Yeah.
not hit any rail.
This is a 1-9 combination. That's gonna give Parañaque some still a semblance of a chance. Ano yun? May nakaharang ba na po? Pinapraning nyo naman si Season eh.
The referee is on the path of Crystal
8 seconds,
Season.
8 seconds, 7, 6, 5, 4, tira! Yun!
Yan ang gusto mo sa Taguig. Always positive. Kahit benta, may maganda pa rin nagawa doon si Romel. Nilayo. Ay, nagwintes.
Season is struggling right now with his concentration.
May epekto rin perhaps yung nabababad siya doon sa...
Si Anton nakikishark eh, pero nakaupo siya sa bench ng Parañaque. Wala problema kay Pisok na number 3 shooter in the league.
It looks like Romel Santos is going to finish what he apparently started.
Well, konting biyahe ng pamato ito. Kukuridahin na lang niya. Ilalapit. Well,
Maririnig na natin, Noel. In a short while, yung pinakamalakas na I love it for this week. Pisok-pasok.
ay, op. Yun.
Pampataas ng BP.
Yun na, okay na, pero at least nakuha nga nila 4-1 series win for the Taguig Stallions.